Photutorial: features, strengths, weaknesses. Today, we're diving deep into Photutorial, a relatively new player in the AI-powered photo editing landscape, but one that's rapidly gaining traction. Let's cut to the chase. Photutorial's core feature set revolves around intelligent object removal, background replacement, and AI-driven style transfer. Unlike simpler apps, it doesn't just slap a filter on. It analyzes the image and applies stylistic changes in a contextually aware manner. Think of it as having a miniature Photoshop expert embedded in your device. Its object removal is particularly impressive, often seamlessly filling in the gaps left behind without noticeable artifacts. This is powered by a sophisticated generative adversarial network, GAN, trained on a massive dataset of images. This tool is built for anyone who needs quick, high-quality edits without the steep learning curve of professional software. That includes social media influencers, e-commerce vendors needing clean product shots, and even amateur photographers wanting to enhance their portfolios. The primary strengths are its ease of use, speed, and the quality of its AI-powered edits. The interface is intuitive, allowing even novice users to achieve professional-looking results in minutes. It also offers batch processing, a huge time saver for those dealing with numerous images. Now, for the weaknesses. Photutorial's reliance on AI means that it sometimes struggles with complex scenes or unusual image structures. While the object removal is generally excellent, it can occasionally produce unnatural results, especially around intricate details like hair or fine textures. Furthermore, the level of control offered is less granular than in dedicated photo editing software like Photoshop or GIMP. You're essentially trading fine-tuned control for speed and ease of use. Another limitation is the limited number of export formats. While JPEG and PNG are supported, more advanced formats like TIFF or RAW are absent, hindering its suitability for professional print work. Finally, the subscription model can be a barrier for some. While a free trial is offered, full access requires a monthly or annual fee. In conclusion, Photutorial is a powerful and user-friendly tool that excels at quick, AI-assisted photo editing. Its strengths lie in its object removal, background replacement, and ease of use. However, its limitations include occasional artifacts in complex scenes, a lack of granular control, limited export formats, and a subscription-based pricing structure. Whether it's right for you depends on your specific needs and workflow. If you prioritize speed and simplicity over fine-grained control, and your editing tasks primarily involve object removal, background changes, and stylistic enhancements, then Photutorial is definitely worth considering.